Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a look with the new Carli Bybel Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And I also purchased the Undressed lip set. This includes liquid lipsticks and glosses in light nude shades. First of all, so the packaging is beautiful. I got this little, this is the PR mailer, so it came in like this beautiful, beautiful box. So, it says Carli Bybel. It has like this really pretty, this really pretty like circle detail. I don't even know what to call it. So this is limited edition and it includes mattes and shimmers in warm and cool tones. And it says it's perfect for everyday to night artistry, which I agree. So similar to all their palettes, of course, it's the very typical style. And it has the eyeshadow brush, the mirror, and of course, as usual, it has 14 shades. So here's a close-up, all those beautiful colors. So at first glance, I haven't even swatched this or tried it or anything. This does look very different from any palette that they've done. I feel like I say that every time, but it truly, like this year, they really have been coming out with like, I feel like different variety of things. And this truly looks like Carli. Like, she's one of the first YouTubers I ever started watching. Her and Jaclyn Hill and Jackie Aina were the first like 3 YouTubers that I was like into. And this truly just reminds me of Carli. Like when you think of her, like these colors just look like her. It's just, and the looks that she's been making so far with this palette are beautiful. Okay, so let's get started. Let me take out this brush because I probably will use this little guy here. Yes, my highlight today is, do you guys see that? It's really nice. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start off with the color Bowie or Bow. I'm not really sure. Oh, my nails, I know every time I film a video my nails look atrocious. So we're gonna go with Bow. Start right here in the outer corner. I think their collabs so far this year have been pretty spot on. Who we had? We have Jackie Aina, this one. Oh, the Alyssa Edwards. That was a really good one too. Who else did they collab with this year? I feel like I can't even remember anyone else. And I kind of like brought it out like a little outer V shape. And I think I've showed this before, but anytime I'm going to reuse a brush, I use this little spoolie thing. I got it on Amazon to clean my brushes. And then I think I'm going to go with the color Chai. Always love a good orange. Is that showing up on camera? Sometimes I'm worried. I need to work on my lighting because I feel like sometimes when I do stuff, like it doesn't really show as good like on camera as it does in person. Does anybody else have that problem? Let me know down in the comments if you have any tips or tricks. So far, they blend just similar to their other shadows. It's not like a different formula. So if you are used to the BH formula, then you will like this palette. And then I'm going to go into Stev just a little bit, just because I want to use as much colors as I can. So I'm just going to go into Stev just a little bit and just sort of pop that. And then I'm going to go back into Chai. I'm going to play around with some of these beautiful colors. So I think I'm going to use Mandela. Jode. I don't know how to pronounce any of this stuff. What is this? And OA. Oh, those are like, she's really into like spiritual stuff. I think that's what all those stuff. Anyway, so these 3 shades I just pointed to are what I'm going to use. I'm going to put Jode. Like, whoa. Wow. That is beautiful. Whoa, I was not expecting that. Okay. Sorry. I was really not expecting that. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna bring that up into the crease just a little bit. Then I'm gonna take OA, which I don't think is actually pronounced like that. I feel like it actually is pronounced totally different. So excuse me if you're watching this and you're like, what is she saying? And then I'm gonna take Mandala. Does it look like different? I feel like it almost looks like the three of the same colors, but it's not. I'm gonna take Libra and use that to blend. I feel like this doesn't look how I was wanting it to look, but whatever. So then I'm gonna go back into Bowie. Oh, I can't believe I used this brush for the entire look. Wow. And then I think I'm gonna go into Mandala with my finger. Yeah, just pop that right in the middle. I feel like my looks don't come together until the end, so I'm going to add a wing. This is the Fenty Beauty, one of my favorite eyeliners. Then I think what I'm going to do is go in. I think I'm gonna put Bowie on the lower lash line and then top it with two other colors. Okay, so then I'm gonna top it with OA over here and then Libra right in there. Oh, that's really pretty. Last weekend, my friends and I, we went out and, ow, my back is hurting, sorry. I've been working out, by the way. I've been taking bar classes, but, so my back is kind of like sore from that. But, we went out and we dressed up as the Powerpuff Girls. So if you follow me on Instagram, it's Curvy Girl Curly, by the way. Just like my YouTube handle, make sure to follow me. If you follow me, then you've seen my Buttercup pictures because I dressed up as Buttercup. Anyway, for my inner corner, I'm going to go into the color Aura. I just think that would look really pretty. Yes. Okay, so I am going to do the other eye and then pop on some lashes and then we'll be back for the lips. I put on some lashes and I just fixed my hair a little bit. So now let's get into these. So these are very new. So I'm going to like swatch them on my lips without anything, without a liner, but I will put on a liner once I pick on the color. I was saying these are going to be like a little too light, but I just want to see them like without anything first. So this is the shade Sand. It's a very like taupey light pink. Wow, yeah, that is light. So definitely if you're a woman of color, you need to wear a lip liner with all of these that I'm about to show you. That's the first one. Super light. This again is very light as well. This is peachy. Oh, this is better though because it has a more like the name peachy. Still very light, but this will be more doable with a lip liner. So yes, definitely more doable with lip liner. We have the shade on Mute, which looks, yeah, so it's like, this one's more taupey, so this will probably be the one I end up wearing. Yeah. So this one obviously suits me the best. This one's on Mute. And I do have dark lips anyway, so that kind of affects how it looks. Ugh, I hate the taste of this. Okay, now we have 2 lip glosses. Those were just the lipsticks. These are the lip glosses. So this is the shade Beaming. Super pretty. So that's really pretty, Beaming. Ooh, and this one is like very crystal-y looking. This is Summer Vibes. Interesting name for the fall, since this came out in fall. But, oh, this is really pretty. Oh, this one has a nice smell to it. One thing I love about their lipsticks is they're never gritty feeling. Like, you can't feel the glitter in them. They feel very smooth on the lips. Ooh, this one's really pretty too. So the glosses are like beautiful. I am going to take, this is a NYX lip liner. It's called Dark Soul. And just gonna put this all over my lip. It's a burgundy lip liner. It doesn't glide on very easily, unfortunately, but I'm going to take the color on Mute. And I did buy this online, so I didn't realize online how light all of these were. So in hindsight, I probably shouldn't have got them. And I got them from AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com, not from Sephora.com. So I don't know if I can return something that's used. I'm going to go over this with the lip gloss Beaming. Is that like too much? And then I'm also going to take a little bit of Summer, whatever it's called, Summer Vibes. I don't know. I kind of like it. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the look. Let me like zoom you in, since I didn't really do that. I hate how this like looks on camera. Just so it's not picking up all the colors. Like even the pink in the corner, the corner of the eye, it looks so much like I'm annoyed. Okay, bye.